Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these custard cream cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place in your sugar, which is granulated and light brown sugar, followed by the butter, which should be at room temperature. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working you up to a medium-high speed, and once you've got to a lighter and fluffier consistency, you look something like this. You don't need it to be completely light and fluffy like you're making a cake, but just more well combined. You can then add in your egg and your vanilla and mix those in until they are fully incorporated. Once they've been incorporated, you can give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in the dry ingredient, which is your flour and salt, followed by the baking powder, then your white chocolate, and also not forgetting your custard creams, which have been roughly chopped. Then mix this on a low speed until you have a dough form. Once you've got a dough that looks something or similar to this, you're good to go. So take your scoop and scoop up a full scoop of the cookie dough. And it's okay if it goes over a little bit, but you'd rather it over than under, as there's always a little bit left over with this recipe, and I always bake that up. Create a little dam in the centre of the cookie dough and fill that with some custard cream spread. I used some homemade custard cream spread, but feel free to, if you can buy it, still buy it. Repeat the process until you have no dough left. Once you've got no dough left, place them all onto a tray, then place into your preheated oven and bake them off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. So when it comes to finishing these cookies off, I waited until my cookies were almost cold. I just took some more of the custard cream spread and piped a bit on top of each cookie. This is going to act as a glue to secure that custard cream that we put on top in place. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You could put it onto the dough and just let it bake in, but I always find it goes a bit too dark and crispy and it's not the most enjoyable then. So I like to do it this way, where add a bit of spread, place it on top, press it down, it acts as a glue and it works really well. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.